Now Ghana no any taxpayer money to Ghana. A taxpayer money to Ghana. So you can't tell us that say
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Nsem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Black Ghana, say Ghana win here. We say, since we say you can't you can't take a phone call. Tell us that I say I've suspended 4 fee. The amu yene de.
I said Parliament there dia.
Yeah, say any diampa. And can any can last year and continue say or the key or the key bottom. Everybody go fee. Any diampa. That time you remember behind the auntiano. Can I not be auntiano and then you allow ye. Oh dear. This ano or the salon or to Panacono. Because it's a whole thing say or mine. Or Mexican say, you and you can't even sit there and say, I have order. I'm going to airport. Who's your wife? Wife no wine. Or you person Ghana for it to win. Or you person Ghana for it to win. Because you have a little obia, obey Yamaye. You don't mention it for 4 years. Or say you to be son. Or no, because what to me call a foot. Echo far for your market in the part of what 25 years. And he has something now what you make of here. Now I blame the chairman or chairman or tournament continues. I blame him. Because question you will be sir or say question now because we'll take it off. Because who to me fetch the echo you'll be in the part of what 25 years at the bar. But who know the other band they will say if you know what you know a rental apartment. We'll part of what will say on the chair. Who the on the chair but to be the ultimate fetch Echo Lance, Echo Heshe. Ghana Efu. Ghana was Efu. Memini Ghana. By Efu. Into Pia Solano, the best one will be. Sasso boy see. 41 years, 40 years, 44 years. When we Sankwala Wimu. Sankwala Wimu or Amagana. Sankwala Wimana.
This week, the mayor is MPP for Yaji. Yes, we lost the elections miserably, but a normal kakre bina minority no ashono. Ama ubi enya hope. Entina sawasha nenswa. Nipa ya lusu but umu akeka ya diaba platform so kasa timsampa. Party na niaji. Na udi no to nchanya. Ema umu se MPP yen adwene no wo soro wo de hwɛ vetini bibia ya foforo bi o mpɛ so mo ka bia ya ba o me adea bibia obi abasa okay ono te ho se okay me pɛ sɛ me de ade foforo we ba obekom ba de asema ba o me aka good for oil program say de o mo say I bet good board no ma toto good no ma hwɛ sɛ ne be boa sidi no adwene we na wo bi na wo ni bi da to force afi to boot ombeka digitalization almost say the technology be real because when so bot digital asembeba
yeah abu
yes ene go asia ablakwa afi dia me ba airport me ma obia nkoye biometric sense ya Ghana card we NDC you should bow your head in shame. These are empty people. Umuni ani so ade hunu umunti me think outside the box. Nti de omo ya dia ya trodi. Odi atra sanse yesi Ghana nipa bebre aiki ono wo fom nti no na to amanfo asum. Na afedi omo manipulate amanfo no to aba ma wo mo. But omo betra so a na hu the true people omo ye. Adwene bi eni omo trim. Omo ya kronfo so. Na minority normal maye mania jim enka sa suba we nanka ye woye mu 1 year ago a kankofo ne ninko sasema omudi wo man nim yes ye ho so for ni book long do ya sa suba we nanka woye mu a ka wanfa matwoma na anko polling stations afedi afono ma afedi ya ma order ya speaker order say bibi da fa ye nkofo ina omo tete yen ntini anodom prene ni ade no do mpe ba bi mfa ne hye efise se ko de ni 2 weeks bia ombe suspend MPP ebe kakra na just suspend wo nyina na wo babe say wa adwene wo fia what is more unparliamentary say nipa yen ka asem na nipa kuo bi afọ mu nyina ho say akotena majority side akotena majority side ade ntia yesusu say nkofo bi so omonye yi ntia de akotena de ne de akotena ho nti kasa ada no enya fa nwoma kins nyansa no nso ka kire MPP for say yesu yenko bebia ne yete anka de nke bi so parliament ho sa nkofo no yo mo dey Sam George etimi ede ne yedin call electoral officer ho epopo ne kire so wan hwe bebo kompipia no kodi club no what is more unparliamentary than that let's speak away o suspended no omodwen say on say de eba no omu hudu omunye nto omo hyehye wo ene omunye nwhwe from social media to then the MPP is taking over that say do omo hu say we push obi a nti yeso pamo be ma che dodo ase de auto ne be ma like wo push ni panel do baby omo say say kasa we na mote and that is the new crop of MPP say yesremo nkokora for MPP nyina mo tranchan nkokora for MPP ni mo nyina yesremo say position ye kwakopre no national executive positions unim say wanyini unya energetica ya patro tranchan nemo mo anyini na so betima di nkwasi asem kakra apart from nyansa na wa abra yesremo cause say you say sakasa na sankofo wait and then o say within 3-4 days omo ayira omo ma ultim say afero omo ko for say na de yeni wo position na omo hu do omo nye nene mani je dia fanyo markings ye no sa ma me na o ka chen say wo na nim in camera obi ehwe no we are partisans ye nim say we NDC ni free no te ho so you should buy your head in shame and parod in tie butu ho next time this is what we want o ka chen straight first bank we so your band we there munya butendenden wo say wo fa ho no akotwotwo letter say brand den nkofo so nim ho hwe omkotra ave de ni nipa bibire ba ye we kowi ave de anopa wako summon NDC for say amon certificate no yes ankwasi afo we de inform ho na ne de afanyo market de ye manage keke ave de na MP abegina say ma me ni free me constituency kita ho ahwan na onye NDC ni hwe won sere nkobusa kuro ba ofu so
so NDC ni azo ni NDC ni
o de bi si kuro ba o de ye friend say voice ti was kuro free so no ono free kita na ma me ni constituent nti MPP for me pa na cha o me pa cha no onye NDC ni o free kenfa kita voter region onye NDC ni you are funny na meni aje ano so ombe suspend ya no omo suspend no osabeba ntimi nyehwe na nse wo mu adurojiri fo mani nye me say nipa wo ho no mu mani nye say omo wo MPP kukodoro fo say and these are the people we want in the party now say we be parliament wanwan because nkofo ne omo bully MPP ache the bian ye dey for manyame ye dey bian ye dey asofo na they bullied us for a long time kakra bi we micro minority kakra bi na afa dey bebrene yi omutia what will happen within the country afa dey bebrene yi omutia na say no afa dey o man be afa dey mbedwane yes because why do you say ankofo dey na we mu dey say omu dey omuti nya afa dey mbuza say MPP nyansa for we say nyansa ni bi any party nim sa na epe nyansa for bia yin na ye no mo ko gata ni mo da ye beda o sori ye be sori voice
senior we dey catch 1 minute now one voice na me ma me grad
me manu nyina esi asema me kanyina ne say
am say na me network me ntie
da share street ne kaba eyi na wo amu betena ho vetting enya Ghana vetting akamini sese ye de abusua dom ne ko vetting vetting ye ko vetting no gisa oyire ena oyire ne na abusuafo wo no abusuafo ebe gina wachi ansana yetimi abusa wonsem eno no beto mu daben ebeto mu daben agisa NDC nko a na omfa hye omadwene mu se Ghana no eye nyina ye dia eni wo wo mo Enti wo munya sa supremo mahama ne hey munya study na afenyo markets no wo che 10,000 wono nko akro che nipa 10,000 obie na no kasa wo bomu a no obi ayedin enti said wo mo ye no yemfa mpaibo